This episode of Barbecue Crasher, we are going to take a 9-pound pack of ribs that's semi-frozen, didn't fully thaw out, and we're going to turn them into slap your grandma good ribs. That's how good it's going to be. Let there be smoke. All right, let's talk about the ingredients that we're going to be using today. And I'm going to talk about the alternative ingredients that you could use. I love ribs with pineapple. Pineapple is the way to go, especially in the summertime when you have fresh pineapples available. You could use applesauce, apple juice, apple cider, and in my case, I'm also going to be adding apple cider vinegar. I'm just doing something that's very cost effective because we got these for $1.59 a pound. Why should we keep putting money into this cook? We could do it on the cheap. We also have a huge can from Restaurant Depot of pineapples diced, okay? The reason why I got it, you hear that? Put it on the microphone. You have all these natural juices in here. So for $5, I got a whole 6 pounds of pineapple chunks with juice, and I'm going to use both the juice and the chunks in the pressure cooker. I'm going to be using 2 methods. First method that's really going to be the core is using a pressure cooker. Now, a lot of people have Instapots. I went with the GoWise brand just because it's 14 quarts and it comes with the porcelain coated huge 14 quart bucket. So, your favorite barbecue sauce for later, we will glaze it later, and apple cider vinegar. Now, the other key is to use butcher twine, because like we said, it's going to be fall off the bone ribs. And if you don't tie it up and take it out of the pressure cooker, well, guess what? You're going to have rib stew when it's done. What we'll do is we're going to open this up today. We're going to tie it with the butcher twine, and then we're going to open the can and put the ribs, the tied ribs, the pineapple juice all in the pressure cooker. We're going to pressure cook it anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. Take it out, and then we'll put it on the grill. Now, we're going to be smoking it after we pressure cook it on a pellet grill, Camp Chef Smoke Pro. You don't need a pellet grill. You could use a normal gas grill. You could use a charcoal grill. You could even use your oven. That's the beauty of this. The whole purpose is for the pressure cooker to break down the meat fibers, to add moisture inside the meat, to allow it to go to a bake period of some other heat source. I'm not taking off the silver back on this, the silver skin. The right thing to do by a lot of people, but if you do a proper cook with high enough moisture content and long enough heat, you'll break it down. Now, if you were doing purely smoke, you may want to remove it so the smoke can penetrate deeper into the rib. Because we're doing basically a steam pressure cook on it, it's not going to bother me, it's not going to affect me, it's going to break it down. Trust me, you're going to love this.
Yeah,
Try one of these ribs.
It's like 300 questions.
It's the best thing ever.
It's like, it's serious. It's a serious test.
Wow.
Chemical safety.
Ooh.
There's all sorts of crap on there.
Wow. Smack your grandma good.
Yeah.
Even your grandmother on your mother-in-law's side.
I don't think you would want to do. I don't think it's a good idea to do that.
But they're that good.
Plumbing?
Wow.